Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine at home and doing well. So, children, your exam has been finished now. So, hope you all have completed your exam very well. So, today we are going to start in ALGA 8 Unit 7. In Unit 7, today I will tell you about SR 1, 2, 3 and 4. So, let's learn good habit first. Be attentive in the classroom. Children, we all should be very attentive in the classroom. It is very important and necessary for us. Children, why we go to school? We go to school to learn new things. So, if you will not pay attention there, then how can you learn very well? So, it is very important to be attentive in the classroom. Now, let's turn to SR 1. Here we will learn about compound words. So what are compound words? Compound words are the words, the combination of two words like newspaper, flower pot, lunch box, haircut, inside, into, outside, something, somewhere, classroom. Here you can say that two words news and paper is combined together. Okay children, so on a Sunday afternoon I walked outside my house and found a newspaper on the doorstep. I picked the newspaper and was surprised to see my photo on the front page. I ran inside to show it my mother. She was putting flowers in a flower pot. She smiled and said, I wanted to surprise you. Happy birthday, son. Okay, children. Here we will learn about adverbs also. Look downside. So what is adverb? An adverb describes the action, means verb. There are different types of adverbs. So adverb of manner, that answers how, means how the things happen. Adverb of time tells when the action happen. Adverb of place, where the action happen. And adverb of frequency, how often. Adverb of degree, how much. And adverb of reason answers why. Children, here are some examples also, so read it carefully. Now let's turn to SR2. In SR2 we'll read about the story Ashoka the Great, written by Namita Goel, illustrated by Minesh Shah. So, children, who was Ashoka? Ashoka was the great emperor of Mughal Empire. So, Ashoka was one of the greatest kings of India, but he took a long journey to become a great king. When he was young, Ashoka was known for his anger and cruelty. Once he had put his ministers through a loyalty test. Loyalty means, children, to strongly support someone, how loyal someone. During this process, he killed as many as 500 ministers. He also built a torture chamber for people to give severe pain to others, torture. He was popularly known as Chandasok, means the fierce Asok, very cruel. So Asoka was a famous Indian emperor from the Maurya dynasty. He is most well known for changing from a fierce king to peace-loving one. He spread Buddhism in our country. The Asok Chakra on our flag and the Indian emblem are taken from a sculpture made at the time of Asoka. He changed after the famous battle of Kalinga. In this battle, he killed hundreds and thousands of people. Many people revolted against the war and they were asked to leave. After the end of the war, Asoka went out to the warfield. He saw dead bodies of soldiers and burnt houses. It was then that he realized what he had done. Now come to next SR 3. What he saw changed his heart forever. At that time he met Nigrodha, a Buddhist monk. He was deeply influenced by the message of love and peace. He became a follower of Buddhism and propagated. Propagated means is to spread something. Its teachings. He took a vow of non-violence and did not fight any war. He dedicated the rest of his life to serving humankind. He built thousands of Buddhist temples called stupas, like Sachi stupas. Some of them can still be seen today. His name changed from Chanda Ashok to Dharma Ashok. Ashok the fierce to Ashok the follower of Dharma. Okay, now children, turn to SR 4. So, how can we find new meanings of new words? So, first step is read the sentence with the word. Suppose we are searching the meaning of loyalty. So, once he had put his ministers through a loyalty test, first we will read the whole sentence. Then, step 2 is there. Read the sentence before and after it. So, before sentence, what is? When he was young, Asoka was known for his anger and cruelty. The after sentence is during this process he killed as many as 500 ministers. Now third step is look at the other words in the same sentence. So other words are there are put ministers through and test, which means to test his ministers. Means in this sentence the question is to test his ministers. So step 4, guess the meaning of the word. I think loyalty means to strongly support someone without asking questions. Means to check his loyalty, how loyal he is. So, hope you all have get it. Sorry, you all have got it. So, children, revise this concept of SR 1, 2, 3, and 4 and try to complete exercises related to this concept. Thank you. Have a great day.